Alright, Rashad the Great here, and I'm about to do an unboxing. I never did unboxing before. Here we go. I'm about to go to the gym, so this is about to be real quick. So if anybody who knows me knows that I design shoes. I've been designing shoes since I was a little kid. So gonna break down these shoes real quick. Just got these today. About to work out today. Just got off of work. Bam! So let me explain what we seeing here. That's the tribal print. That's not the zebra print, but I think that's the tropical print from Nike. These are the Metcon 10s, I believe. 10s or 9s. I believe these are the Metcon 10s, if I want to say. So this is Prov. So for all my Christians out there, you know that's a shorthand for Proverbs. And what we have here, we have the red on black on red on black on red on black. You feel me? You see that? And gold, you know, all kings wear gold. That's like all in the Bible, gold and silver. You know what I'm saying? And this is Proverbs on the left. And one of my favorite Bible verses, see, on the bottom, you know, Proverbs. And then we got the right one that says, 227. So, no, it's not the show 227. It's Proverbs 22, verse 7, which means the rich rule over the poor, and the borrower is slave to the lender. So, again, this being a financial channel, we got Proverbs, you see it, Proverbs 22:7. So that's my shoes. That's the explanation. And one of my favorite colorways is always red and black or blue and gold. So, you know, just I like being unique, man. You see what I mean? Like the stripe, like, I don't know if you can see that, but that's like raised up. You know what I'm saying? Let me just get a 360 view of this, man. You know what I'm saying? From the inside. I don't think the anklets are special. Nah. Usually the anklets was gold before. But yeah, every once a year I buy some new shoes, new fitness shoes. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. These are nice, see? Look at this. Fresh out the box. Rip me out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. You feel me? Proverbs 22:7. The rich rule over the poor, and the lender is slave. No, the borrower is slave to the lender. That's one of my favorite verses. Proverbs 22:7. All right, Rashad the Great, about to go work out. I suggest you do the same. God bless you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications on, because you never know when I'm dropping that fire. God bless you. Have a great day. Rashad the Great, I'm out.